Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I have set my timer. I have paint around the edges. You can tell because I got black on my finger. I've got paint in the middle and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. And I expect to be ready to add some colors, my favorite colors, to the canvas any minute. And I was watching Kathleen Miller earlier this morning, and I like what she does. I like the colors. I like the black swipe stuff. I'm going to use my Meeden paint with a little extra water than usual as a swipe card pull. And I like what she does before she spins. Sometimes more than when she spins. I don't have a spinner set up anyway. So now my canvas has a nice wet layer of paint. I have, for the most part, a pile of nice colors that I like over here, that way. Not sure if you can see them, I don't think you can. Anyway, I gotta stop fussing with this. But the more level you hold your spatula, the more even the layer is. Especially, and let the spatula do the work. Don't put very much pressure on. And then throw it in the bucket. Or wipe it off on a little if you silicone mat. So I can do whatever I want, and what I did yesterday was pretty cool. I made some loop-de-loops, and that meant that whatever I left behind was pretty cool. Hey, you just stopped. That's not cool. That was open when I checked it. Okay, so these are my stainless steel tweezers, and they are on the Amazon link underneath the link tree. There's an Amazon link. The link tree is right underneath the video. I want this out of here. And I want to finish what I'm doing. Oh, the bottle won't even open. Well, it looks like this bottle needs some attention anyway, because it was so hard to open. Let's hope that cured the problem. Anyway, so let's go back. And just use all of the colors. That was a neon purple from Folk Art with iridescent pearl fine in it. This is an Arteza. No, this is a... Yeah, you can do it, Priscilla. You can do it. This is an Artist Loft metallic purple. Probably amethyst. This is a Color Art Prism Pour. Hot Orchid. This is, wow, what was that? Don't mind an odd color, but I can't really handle the flakes. Oh, that's not coming out. I wonder if I've got another color of that. I have another orange, and I'm not afraid to use it. So I have never done anything exactly like this, and then I'm going to top it up with at least the electric blue, and I'm kind of looking over here to see if I have, yes. Oh, it's time to make some more of that. This is an Arteza. Now, I'm kind of wondering if there's maybe not enough. I just saw the tow truck drive by, and it's confusing because my husband just got a flat tire and he's waiting. These are great colors, huh? I suspect I could make some green pretty easily. So anyway, this is what I've done. I've taken my Meeden paint, and it's very viscous. Or very thin. You can see how thin that is. And I'm going to pull a Kathleen Miller. I'm going to use the long side of my card. And my long side of my card is not working as well as I'd like to. It seems to have a curve in it. So I'm going to grab something that is got less of a curve. And now I have someone knocking at my door. Okay, well, that video is over, or I'll have to edit it out. Okay, well that was interesting. I'm back. Not sure what's going to happen. Oh, that's kind of cool. So I've got more paint on my card, and I've obviously just edited out having to go to the door for the tow truck driver. I think my paint is not heavy enough. So my inclination in the past would have been to put a shovel full of paint on there. But I think what I'm going to do instead is just follow my heart and add some more paint. And maybe make something super interesting, because I'm not sure it's going to be anything less than interesting at this point. And I kind of liked it a moment ago, so I'm kind of also hoping I don't ruin it. But I like the colors. Hubby's not having a good day. And I didn't use any more black in there. I'm not sure I need to. I'm having, okay. Well, it is what it is. Okay, I'm back. I'm not sure whether that's helpful or not right now. I'm gonna look for some balance. And I like the little cells I've got. I'm really inclined to find myself some white Anita's metallic and use it. I'm not sure at this point that my background paint is wet enough for me to do much of anything with it. But I suppose we're here and we've started, so we might as well find out. So far so good, or weird. My timer might stop anytime. I got 6 minutes left, and that was so distracting. There's just no chance that this is going to be anything other than interesting. I had to run out to the road and bring the portable phone to the tow truck driver, who still did not know where my husband was. I'm inclined to use some more of that electric blue from Arteza, which I completely adore and wish I would remember to order some more of. Okay, well that was not part of the plan right there. But I can work with it. So I'm just going to have some fun, because this has not been anything but interesting. I never did clean that bottle tip out, and I really want that color. So, since we're both here, then I might as well clean the bottle out of the color I want and hope that it goes this time. I'm still having fun. Not that I gave that impression, I'm sure, for a moment. I want to use some of the magenta I've got. It's really not what I had in mind, and I guess I learned a lesson that I need to have much heavier paint, so I will be doing a shovel application in my next painting. And in the short amount of time that I was running around, my background has dried. But I am having a really good time with this design, and it's certainly not anything that's been seen before. And why not just go with the flow? It's not like I have much choice. It'd be funny if I didn't edit it, run out of the room. I'm liking that. Surprisingly! I'm going to torch it to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys I have over 92,000 subscribers, or very nearly. And get on with doing something else. And I'm going to try a shovel full of paint next time. Unexpected, weird, and wonderful. If I put a basting brush in there, it'd probably be too much. Grab that thing out of there that was in there. So, if you guys want to help my channel out, know that there is a monthly drawing every month, and it happens at the end of the month. And the prizes are paintings, my paintings. And should you happen to be interested in winning some, there's only ever like 20 people who get in that drawing. So your chances are probably 1 in 15 or 1 in 20. You can see the prizes on the end screen video, the exhibition video. I'm going to throw a few dots in here. I'm going to throw more than a few dots in here. Because I can. The name of my first book next to my second book. My first book is Because I Can. The second book is Unlimited Possibilities. Yes, the dots are the bomb. That's just exactly what I wanted. Not that I had any idea where this was going after the initial tow truck driver pulled up in front of the house when the video started. I got little fishes, or something similar, looking a lot like something similar. Just using the flat end of the skewer and dipping it into the paint I already have, obviously. Yep, for whatever reason it reminds me of a bridge, like with tension wires and all the rest of it. I like how the gold is dendriting out. Pretty happy with most of my dots. And I like my colors. So what else should I tell you guys before you're gone? Because I'm about to run out of time. My link tree is below the video. It's underneath, and underneath Show More is my email address. Should you happen to be interested in purchasing an artwork or reserving a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, using my email is the best possible way to reach me. And it is easpb and the word gallery at gmail.com. I could just keep dotting. I don't think it matters. I kind of wish I'd put some more turquoise in here. That Arteza Electric Blue is kind of turquoise. And it's so gorgeous. I'm going to have some more. I hope they'll sell it individually and not just in a kit. Can't believe I didn't use any more hot orchid at the end, and I still could. But I think I'm very happy with that, to tell you the honest truth. especially under the conditions it was created, which was pretty bizarre. I should just not edit at all. I wonder how long I was gone bringing the phone out to the guy in the truck. Anyway, so Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors is a Facebook group, and it's on the link tree along with Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, which is a shop now a button away from Fine Art America and Pixels.com, where there's like 1,400 items that can be turned into 20 of them each. My Teespring clothing is below the video, and it has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links on my link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the artworks that are wet and dry and edited. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are also on the link tree. I'm all over the map right now. My community board on my YouTube channel has tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students on the link tree has tomorrow's video also. My Amazon link is a great place to shop for anything you want on Amazon, and it helps me out when you do so at no added cost to you. My 2 books are there. I mentioned them already. My OXO Omelet Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. Anyway, so bottom line is, can I have a thumbs up, please? When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them all the way through, it's an amazing help. When you watch the commercials, it's a very big assistance. And when you watch when the notifications come out, that's also very helpful. So I love you guys. I will see you anon. Look at that. That's some kind of, I don't know. That is just, that is some kind of wonderful chaos. Maybe I'll call the video Wonderful Chaos. There are some nice little cells in there, mixed in with all those lines. That was very, very strange. Strangest video I've ever made, I think. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I know the timer is irritating. Bye for now. Oh, I got 1,800 videos. Organize a list of 100 each. 18 lists and 1,900 coming right up. And by topic and genre. If you need a link, ask me. If you need to ask me a question, ask me. I'll get back to you in the comments. I love you guys. Paint pouring recipe is also under show more under the video. And if I've forgotten something, you'll see it in another video. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, PayPal and Patreon icons are on the bottom right-hand corner.